Inner transactions are so powerful that you can submit not just one, but multiple inner transactions at the same time using atomic transfers. Atomic transfers is a layer 1 feature on Algorand that allows you to group up to 16 transactions and execute them simultaneously. So you can also group up to 16 inner transactions within a smart contract. Let's look at this contract method as an example. Here we're creating two separate inner transactions and then assigning them to a variable, a payment inner transaction and an application call inner transaction. Then we pass in both of the transaction params as arguments to itxm.submitTransactions method. The submitTransactions method will group the inner transactions passed in as argument and execute them simultaneously. It will also return all of the inner transaction results just like sending a single inner transaction. Just remember to pay enough transaction fees when calling this method because now there are two inner transactions being sent, so the external caller needs to pay for two inner transaction fees.